Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Let's start past tense. Past tense are divided into four categories: past indefinite, that is also known as simple past, past continuous, progressive, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Yes, past indefinite tense, that is also known as simple past, that is used to describe an action, an event, or condition that occurred in the past. For example, he bought a pair of shoes yesterday. So, time signal here will be any yesterday's time means you can say past time, any past time, whether the time will be yesterday or minute before. Minute before time is also considered as the spent time, means you can say past time. Clear? So yesterday, last month, last night, a fortnight ago. Here, how to write it in the regular verbs with the infinitive, we use ed. That is the rule of the infinitive verbs. I played, I opened, but with the irregular verbs we see the second column of the form of the blanks. Okay, so we have suppose write, wrote, written, so we will use wrote over there. Means in past tenses we use second form of the verb. Clear? If we want to make it question, did plus infinitive. Okay, in the past we put did before the sentence to make it question. In present we use do or does, but in past we make it into the past tense, means into the second form, do, did, done. We took did from there and frame a question. But in the negative we put along with did not. Along with did we put not. So I didn't play. Okay, with this the infinitive will be used. How to make regular past forms? Most verbs we put ed along with it, but after e, if at the end of the word there is e, then only we put d along with it. Normally we use ed, but here already there is e, then we put only d. Clear? If we have consonant plus y, then we put ied along with it. Suppose cry, r is a consonant, and then at the end there is a y, then it is changed into cried, cried, y will be skipped from there. One vowel plus one consonant, then also we double the consonant. Okay? Last consonant we double it. Next we have how to use it. To talk about when things happen, I didn't see, and yesterday, with finished time expressions, not present perfect. I saw that film last week. Keep in mind, with finished time expressions, not present perfect. कुछ ऐसा टाइम जहाँ पर हमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का कोई एक्सप्रेशन ना दिखता हो. बेटा, देर इज़ अ वेरी लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पास्ट सिंपल एंड द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. सिंपल पास्ट में क्या होता है, देर इज़ ओनली एंड ओनली वी टॉक अबाउट द पास्ट. बट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में क्या होता है, द वर्क विल बी फिनिश्ड इन दैट ऑल्सो. The work will be performed already, but that would have the expression in the present also. कुछ ऐसा काम हुआ है जो पास्ट में हो चुका है, लेकिन उसका जो असर है, इफेक्ट है, वो प्रेजेंट में डल रहा है. That means that is called present perfect. That is the difference between the two. Clear? So I saw that film last week. It doesn't have any effect on the present. मैंने वो last week देखी थी, तो it just only a simple past. For things that happened one after the other, he parked his car, went into the station and bought a ticket. Then also we put only and only simple past where there is any repetition in the action. Clear? Okay, let's start. Okay, this is the example you can see. Last year we went to a sky camp with my class and we slept in a beautiful dorm. Yes. Let's see next. Present, past simple or present perfect. What is the difference now? Let's see. Last time I dashed to Brighton was in August. I went. We just put second form of go, went. Okay. I would like to meet a ghost, but I dashed one. Never see. I would like to meet. मैं एक घोस्ट को मिलना चाहता हूँ, मैंने अभी तक इसको कभी नहीं मिला. Now it has a effect on the present, means मैं उनको अब देखना चाहता हूँ. I would like to meet. अब उसका इफेक्ट जो है इस बात का, I have never seen, इसका इफेक्ट किस पे है? इस पे कि अब मैं देखना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने इसको कभी नहीं देखा. It does have the effect in present. So that's why we are using present perfect, not the past simple. Clear? This is the difference between the two. I have finished my homework. I did it before tea. मैंने अपना होमवर्क फिनिश कर लिया है, तो मैंने कब किया था इसको? Before tea. Okay. I dashed for a computer company for a year. I worked. That was after college. What time did you get to work this morning? Martin dashed to Greece 5 times. He loves the place. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, Martin dashed to. Here बेटा be is also the form that we use. Be, was, been. As a first form we use be. In the present, है ना, in the present we use be in the first form. Along with it we also having is, am and are. We are taking all these in the present only. Okay. But be, was is the second form. In the plural we use were for that. In the third form we use been. Okay. Here we have be as a form. Martin has been. Been will become the third form. With has we use third form. Clear? Has been to Greece 5 times. He loves the place. अब उसको ये place बहुत पसंद है. That's why he went there 5 times. अब उसका जो बेटा नॉर्मल में हम कह सकते हैं Martin went to Greece 5 times, है ना. बट इसका जो इफेक्ट है he loves the place, this effect है, this has the प्रेजेंट इफेक्ट, है ना. प्रेजेंट के ऊपर भी इसका इफेक्ट है, तो हम उसके लिए हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. द प्रेसिडेंट हैज कम आउट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग एंड इज गोइंग टू मेक अ स्पीच. यहाँ पर भी हमने क्या यूज़ किया? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका जो इफेक्ट है इज गोइंग टू मेक अ स्पीच. अब वो जा रहा है, उसका इफेक्ट जो है वो प्रेजेंट में डल रहा है. सो वी यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. इवन द वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड है, यहाँ पर वो बिल्डिंग से बाहर जा चुका है ना. इट मीन द वर्क हैज कंप्लीटेड. बट कहाँ जा रहा है? टू डिलीवर अ स्पीच. अगर स्पीच उसने देनी है तो इट हैज़ अ इफेक्ट इन प्रेजेंट. So we use present perfect over there. Of course I can ride a bike, but I dash have not ridden one for years. But it has an effect on present. I can ride a bike. Marilyn Monroe dash in about 50 films. है ना, was in about 50 फिल्म्स. वो 50 फिल्म्स में स्क्रीनिंग की है उसने। रूपर्ट हैज़ लेफ्ट अ मैसेज फॉर यू, ही डैश लास्ट नाइट। यहाँ पर अब सारी बात जो है वो यहाँ पर देखो, हैज़ लेफ्ट अ मैसेज फॉर यू, उसने एक मैसेज आपके लिए छोड़ा था। ही डैश लास्ट नाइट, अब लास्ट नाइट की बात आ गई, इट मीन रैन, सेकेंड फॉर्म। क्लियर? पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस दैट इज यूज टू डिस्क्राइब एक्शंस ऑन गोइंग इन द पास्ट, जो पास्ट में चल रही थी, है ना, कुछ काम होते हैं जो पास्ट में चल रहे थे, दैट विल बी इन द कॉन्टिन्यूटी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू कॉल्ड मी आई वॉज प्लेइंग द पियानो, so I was in the progression, I was in the continuity, I was playing the piano when you called me. Time signal, when, while, all day, yesterday, that type of examples time signals will be there. Then we come to know this is past continuous. How to write it? Was or were, these both are the helping verbs, was or were plus first form plus ing. Clear? So all every time we use ing along with the verb first form, और किसी के साथ नहीं आ सकती, वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ही हम ing लगाते हैं। बट टू मेक इट इन द पास्ट तो सेकेंड फॉर्म तो लगानी ज़रूरी है पास्ट बनाने के लिए, तो हमने उस वहाँ के लिए क्या लिया है, वॉज और वर, बी, वॉज, बिन। क्लियर? सो वॉज एंड वर, फॉर द प्लूरल वी यूज वर, तो वो सेकेंड फॉर्म तो हमने किसकी यूज़ कर ली, बी की, बी, वॉज, बिन। सेकेंड फॉर्म इज नेसेसिटी ऑफ द पास्ट टेंसेस। फॉर ing we use verb first form. Clear? I was playing, you were playing. If we want to make it question, were you playing, was he coming? In the negative, I was not playing, he was not playing. Clear? Only we put not along with the helping verb. Past continuous, how to use it? Is used to say what was happening around a past time. Yesterday at 8 o'clock I was waiting for the train. When he came home I was watching TV. At the time what we were doing. Okay, for past simple or past simple continuous, mean to say past simple and past continuous. Clear? Put the verbs in the brackets into the past simple or the past continuous. The other day I was standing in a queue to buy some theater tickets when a small group of musicians suddenly appeared on the pavement. They dash brightly colored clothes. तो अब and dash jazz. So they were wearing brightly colored clothes and were playing jazz. After a while, one member of the group dashed to walk up, began to walk up and down the queue. I noticed that he dashed money a lot. Notice क्या कर रहे थे हम कि वो क्या कर रहा था, है ना? What I was noticing, he was collecting money a lot. It was a cold windy day just as he dashed my part of the queue as he was reaching. A sudden gust of wind blew, second form of blow, the hat out of the musician's hand. The money fell out all over the pavement. Can you guess what dashed next? What happened next? Okay. Past perfect. For the past perfect we use in the present perfect we use has or have plus verb third form. Clear? For past perfect just we have to make it into the second form. So has or have will be changed into second form. Clear? Like has or have, the second form of has or have is had. So it will become had plus third form. Clear? The past perfect tense is used to refer to action that took place and were completed in the past. जो काम past में हो चुके हैं, complete हो चुके हैं, but it has the effect on present. I had written a letter before I went to the पोस्ट ऑफिस जाने से पहले मैंने एक लेटर लिखा था. बिफोर, एज सुन एज, दीज ऑल आर द टाइम सिग्नल्स. Coming to the how to write it. Had plus past participle. I had plus played means third form. This past participle means third form. Clear? Had played. Question, had will become in the beginning. The helping verb always occur in the beginning. Had you played? In the negative, I had not played. How to use it? When we are already talking about the past and want to talk about an earlier past time. हम जब पास्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और कुछ उससे भी पास्ट के अर्लियर पास्ट टाइम के अर्लियर की बात बताना चाहते हैं, है ना, उसके पहले क्या हुआ. वी रैन टू द सिनेमा बट द फिल्म हैड ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. क्लियर? अब पहले तो है हमारे पास पास्ट की बात, वी रैन टू द सिनेमा, लेकिन उससे पहले और क्या हो चुका था, है ना, टू वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट एन अर्लियर पास्ट टाइम, उससे भी पहले के पास्ट टाइम के बारे में अगर कुछ बताना चाहते हैं तो तब हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, पास्ट परफेक्ट. वी रैन टू द सिनेमा, दैट इज द पास्ट. क्लियर? लेकिन उससे भी पहले क्या हो चुका था, द फिल्म हैड ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. देन वी यूज पास्ट परफेक्ट. एक एक्शन से पहले भी कुछ और एक्शन का हो जाना. क्लियर? आफ्टर व्हेन, to show that something is completing finished. When Kate had done her her shopping, she went to visit the sister. ठीक है, शॉपिंग ख़त्म करने के बाद वो कहाँ चला जाता है, सिस्टर को विजिट करने, मिलने. Okay, these both are the examples. Next we have present perfect or past perfect. What is the difference? It is not raining now, it has at last, it has stopped. Has or have plus third form. With a singular like it we use has. If we have a plural then we use have along with it. Okay, sorry, this is had. This is present perfect or past perfect. Okay, both we have to use. To has stopped, in the present we use has or have. With I we use have. With other he she it or singular we use has. But with the past only and only had. Clear? We had no car at that time, we had sold out old one. Clear? The park looked awful, people had left litter everywhere. You can have that newspaper, I have finished with it. Where it is the present form, then we use present perfect. Where there will be past, then we use past perfect. Clear? Next we have past simple, past continuous or past perfect. All the forms we have to use in this worksheet. Daniel is telling a story about how he forgot his passport but put the verbs into the correct form. It dash last August at the airport. This become the story. Okay, so you can do it by your own. Take a screenshot of it and practice on it. Let's come into the past perfect continuous, where we are using had plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus since or for. Clear? Let's see. The past perfect continuous is used to indicate that a continuing action in the past began before another past action began or interrupted the first action. ऐसा कुछ काम जो हम एक काम होने से पहले शुरू कर चुके हैं लेकिन सेकंड वाले को इससे कोई इंटरप्शन नहीं हुई. तो दो काम एक ही टाइम पे होने, और एक कुछ ऐसा काम जिसको हमने स्टार्ट तो पास्ट में कर लिया था लेकिन वो प्रेजेंट में अभी तक चल रहा है. दैट इज इन द कॉन्टिन्यूटी. स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट ऑलरेडी बट इट इज कॉन्टिन्यूड अप टिल नाउ मीन्स कॉन्टिन्यूस. क्लियर? परफेक्ट भी हो गया, स्टार्ट पहले से हुआ. कॉन्टिन्यूस मीन्स अभी तक चल रहा है बट दैट इज द वर्क स्टार्टेड इन पास्ट. क्लियर. वी हैड ऑलरेडी बिन स्टेइंग इन लंडन फॉर 3 years. ठीक है, हमने स्टे करना तो स्टार्ट पहले ही कर लिया था ना, बट अभी तक हम रह रहे हैं फॉर 3 years, 3 साल हो गए. वाई वी आर यूजिंग फॉर और सिंस? when the time is fixed, then we use since. if the time is not fixed, then we use for. अब 3 years हैं, it is not fixed time. from when we start, 2001 से 2005 से 2000 है ना, कब से हमने स्टार्ट किया है, that is not written here, that is not fixed now. so we are using for here. otherwise if the time will be fixed since 2005 से रह रहे हैं, तो that will become the fixed time, then we use since. time signal when, for or since. clear. then we have past perfect continuous. how to write it? had plus been plus ing. I had been playing. question will become had you been playing? I had not been playing. the past perfect continuous is used for a lasting action, है ना. they had been working hard before we arrived. Not very different from the past perfect. the focus is on the duration. clear. ड्यूरेशन पे हम ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द पास्ट. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.